Hi guys, Mike, Burton Caravans, just doing a handover for your Coachman Laser 575. So we'll just start down the rear of the offside of the caravan. And we have the cassette toilet and the fresh water fill. So using your key, unlock, drop the flap down, fill with fresh water in there, add a pink chemical as per the instructions on the chemical bottle, down to the cassette. Squeeze the orange handle vertical, draw the cassette out, turn the spout through 90 degrees, unscrew the cap, empty the contents, refill with blue chemical through the spout, put the cap back on, turn back through 90 degrees, pop that back in there, make sure the orange handle's located there, close the hatch, and you can use the key to lock there. There we have the outlet for the grey waste from your sinks and showers. Auto engage motor mover, which I'll show you when you collect the caravan. Leisure battery fitted to the caravan. Mains electric connected there. We've got the whale water pump connected here. Just pull that door up slightly, pull out the connector. Nice and simple, push back in again and drop the door down to trap it in place. This is the connection for the shower. And for the attachment is in the front locker. So there's the shower in the bag there, and there's some pipe for your grey waste and some chemicals in there as well. Gas bottle in the caravan, connected up with stainless steel gas hose, connected to the regulator, all ready to go. Step inside the caravan. I've lifted the seats on the front right hand side, and we've got two yellow toggles there for draining down for the hot and cold water for winter and frost protection. So in the horizontal position as they are now, that's the correct orientation for normal operation, and lift them vertical and leave them vertical, both of them for winter. Drop down the little flap hatch here and it reveals all the 12-volt fuses and also all the 240-volt trips and what they are all protecting. Above the door when you come into the caravan, we've got the Coachman control system here. Mains power brings power on into the caravan. Water via the aquaroll from outside on the pump there. You've got your awning light here and your main lighting in the caravan. Got the Aldi system here for heating and hot water. Power on button here, and then you press the menu button there. So at the very top we've got the heating for inside of the caravan, and it's currently set at 22 degrees, pretty warm in here. And if you want to decrease that, just press on the minus or the plus to increase it, and that goes from +5 all the way up to 30. So we'll just scroll that right down to 5 there. Next one is hot water. So we're half filling the triangle there for medium hot water. Press the plus there to fully fill that, or half fill it for half the heat, medium temperature water, or press it down so there's nothing in the triangle and that's no hot water. We've got 3 kilowatts of power on the electricity symbol here. You can press the minus, it goes down to 2 or down to 1 kilowatt. Just depends on what the site gives you for power consumption. Some sites give you 16 amps of power, some sites only give you perhaps 10 amps of power, so you have to fluctuate between those. If you want to go onto gas, you can literally go onto that one there, and that lights the gas up and automatically ignites. So it's really nice and straightforward. If you go into the settings there, you can set the clock up, and you can set the timer if you want the heating to come on in the mornings or later in the afternoons, which is all nice and straightforward to use. Plenty of water pressure there. Nice hot water coming out the tap, so I'm more than happy with that. One igniter here does all on the oven and the grill. That's it, the hobs working fine. On the far left one is for the electric hot plate, which is all coming through. That's nice, I'm happy with that. we've got the grill all lit up there and working fine. And finally just going to light the oven. There we go, that's roaring away fine. Onto the fridge. Fridge is all nicely lit up. It's been on about half an hour. Freezer box is nice and cold, so that's working fine. So for fridge power, on and off, it's this button here. Press and hold it down for 4 or 5 seconds and the fridge comes on or turns off. And then in mode here, you can have automatic, you can have vehicle battery for when you're towing the caravan. It's alarming at the moment because we're not connected to a car, which is good. You can have it on gas, purely on electric, or you can go into auto mode where it's currently on electric and auto. If the electric drops out, it'll kick onto gas and vice versa. So straightforward onto the electric. And then this is your temperature control for in your fridge. Nice and straightforward. Radio's playing, as you can see, all the lights are on, everything's functioning as it should. We've got the electric flush on the toilet, that's fine. Toilet's meant to swivel, and there's the slide valve there to empty the contents into the cassette below. Vanity sink. Nice warm water coming through there, I'm more than happy with that. I'm not going to turn the shower on because that's all been cleaned out properly in there. That's all good. So there we have it, Coachman Laser 575 ready for you guys.